I'm Vladimir Rees. I'm Formula One photographer. Motor racing photography, it's one of the most difficult kind of photographies. When you shoot cars passing by in 350 kilometers an hour, you need a lot of speed. We are in the middle of beautiful Austria, and we are using the new EOS R3 camera, shooting Christine, which is an amazing driver.
I'm gonna go up there, better be ready.
Let's do this. This camera gives me everything I need, the speed, the burst, the AF, the vehicle tracking, which is amazing because it can follow the helmet of the driver. With 30 frames a second, it's much easier for me as a photographer to capture what I want. It's Canon, so you know what to do and where the buttons are. Eye control is technology I've never used before. You just use your eye to get the focus point on that car, and then you lock onto it and just follow the car and get the images you want. You can shoot 6K, you can shoot 4K, you can shoot 120 frames a second. It's just exciting when you hear the numbers, you just want to get into it and try it. I think it opens your eyes again and gives you more room to be creative again, you know, because you can shoot the cars in the fastest corners and stuff and still get it crispy sharp, so quite exciting. This camera basically gives you the freedom that you can focus only on the picture, which is first time in my career, really.
Filming with drones is always challenging, but this shoot goes way beyond anything I've previously attempted. We're shooting these really ambitious aerial action sequences with the 5D4 mounted on a drone, and then picking up ground level shots with the C300 Mark II. So for me, the Canon log mode on the 5D4 has arrived at just the right time. It's become crucial for matching these
They've called us the Hunters of Light. We search for the things that have yet to exist, challenging the traditions, foraging through the shadows, listening for the subtle changes. This is us. We are not as the others are. We do not see as the others see. From the distant shores to the far-off worlds, made friends with the beasts, the wind, and the waves. We've made vows to the land, signed deals with the sky. Now let us write together a new chapter.
Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.